My name is Rachel Adams. I own Rachel's Cafe and Creperie. It's a restaurant in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We have 2 locations now. When we just opened this space a few months ago, we bought pretty much everything through the WebstaurantStore, all of our equipment. And all we had to do was type in what we were looking for. It came up on WebstaurantStore. We compared a few different items and just ordered everything on there. It was really easy.
My name is John Timalonis. I'm a principal with Schmid, Duell & Associates. I've been with the company now for 34 years, and I've been in the industry now for 39 years. Online purchases would seem to have a lot higher percentage of returns than they would through the traditional method. But as we develop closer relationships with the customer service teams and with the content department, our percentage of returns are very small and have decreased over the years.
For the restaurant equipment, they're so used to having that brick and mortar store that they can go to for not only their smaller stuff, but their larger and heavier equipment as well. So we deal with a lot of customers who aren't really used to having common carrier deliveries received on their end, so that's all very new to them.
All of the people are very, very efficient. They know their product very well and are very eager to solve the problems for their customer.
A large, complicated order that I had recently was a customer who reached out about modifying a Regency or advanced tab code table. We had to explain that the Regency model isn't something that we can actually customize, but we led him into the advanced tab code brand, and then eventually he reached out to us and had a whole list of other items he wanted to add to the quote itself. So we were able to meet his needs, and he replied to us and said, "Y'all are on top of everything."
Rationale is one line we represent. It's a very detailed product, highly technical. However, it is also shown on the site with enormous amount of detail. The web features that we see on the site, most importantly, are the full spec sheets, operators manuals, and videos, which really help explain the operation and functions of the equipment.
Accessory drop-downs are awesome. They make a really potentially complex order a really simple process. A customer may be calling in and they say, we need a combi oven, and they may not know all the other details that they have to consider. And the accessory drop-down is like a map that shows them exactly what they need to consider and makes the order process really simple.
Customers are usually surprised by the special orders filter in itself, just that added level of service where we're reaching out to them to make sure that the unit will work properly for their location.
So when we did our shopping through WebstaurantStore, we had no reservations about ordering large pieces of equipment because everything that we needed to know was already either listed on the site, or we could ask any questions we wanted and chat with someone live at that moment before ordering anything.
With WebstaurantStore, I would say the #1 benefit is you're actually talking to a real live person that even if they don't have the answer right then and there, every single person here is willing to kind of go that extra mile to either reach out to a product team, reach out to a manufacturer, and do what we can to get that answer.
Because we are seeing the types of questions that our customer service are bringing to us, we can develop trainings throughout the year for them. We bring manufacturers in to do these trainings, and then we do them in-house. It's an important part of the WebstaurantStore. We work to educate our customer service.
We will definitely continue to be loyal WebstaurantStore customers for a long time. It just makes it so easy for us. And when you're running a business, anything that makes your life easier, you embrace. So this is something that we're happy that we found.